How to make an extra $1,000 a month as an online freelance writer working part-time anywhere worldwide. HowExpert with Ivan Ivanov. HowExpert publishes quick, how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more. Can you really start earning more than $1,000 per month as a freelance online writer part-time, worldwide? You can. This book will show you just how to do so. Written by an expert in the field, the book contains valuable tips and advice on how to start your online freelancing career, even if you don't know English well enough. It will take you through all of the steps of building a stable income stream for your household and will even give you further information on how to retain that stability. By using this book, anyone would be able to start earning more than $1,000 per month as a freelance online writer in no time. The book contains expert advice and information that you would otherwise only be able to learn only by having enough experience in the field. If you simply read this book, you will become better in the sphere of freelance online writing than the people who've been in the sphere for years. Written as a simple 7-step guide, earning $1,000 per month as a freelance online writer part-time worldwide is straightforward and extremely easy to follow. It takes you on a journey to freelance writing. From writing your first article to being your own boss, this book will teach you how in just a few hours per day, you'll be able to easily earn $1,000 per month. HowExpert publishes quick, how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more.